Okay, so here are my final thoughts on installing the timing belt along with the Porken-tensioner. The directions aren't super clear. I mean, they're good, but they're not, you know, incredibly clear with Porken-tensioner. I guess it also could be me. But in any case, it was pretty straightforward. I used a combination of the directions that was provided online, and then also the YouTube link with that forget his name, but guys with rides. He does a video on it. So between those two, you can pretty much figure it out. I think my this receiver on this bolt is stripped, so I didn't go fully on that torque. That was from the previous owner, or previous mechanic. The other thing, I don't know if you guys remember, but I had washed this mark off inadvertently without thinking ahead, and I'm almost positive it's top dead center as to how I took a picture of it, and I'm pretty sure that's accurate, so I'm okay with that. This pulley does not, I guess it's something that's not used, so there's just a like an 8mm bolt that's supposed to go in there, so I'll find one and put one in there, but that pulley I guess does not, or is not needed, I should say. It's pretty clean, tension's good. I still have to rotate the main crankshaft to see if the timing is correct, but I'm hoping it is. All the tension is good. Feeding this wire through, or making sure it goes through, is kind of important, I guess. I guess it wouldn't have been that important. I could have just done it afterwards. The other thing I did do, and I didn't take a video of it, or I may have. I can't remember. If I did, I'll splice it in. I primed the oil. So I put about 5 quarts of oil in through this port right here, and I noticed it was getting filled up. Then I primed it. I took a drill and I put a whatever 17 mil socket on it, and spun it, and you could tell it started getting harder, and then it sucked that oil up. So that was kind of cool, actually, some validation of what I thought was going to happen. So I primed the oil. I still need to put probably another 1.5, 2 quarts in, but that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy with everything, how it turned out thus far. It looks good. These are new gears. Those are new, and then also the oil pump gear is also new. It was, for whatever reason, this was a lot heavier. I want to say the other one was aluminum and this one was steel of some sort, so I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. That's pretty much it. That's it for today.